Hey, welcome to How2Mechanics. Do you own a Dodge Ram with a Cummins in it? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to change your engine oil. To jack up the vehicle without a lift, you're going to put your jack here. With the vehicle jacked up, for safety, you're going to want to add jack stands in these locations on both sides. The engine oil drain plug takes a 3/8 extension. When draining the oil, you want your engine oil to be warm. Once it's mostly drained out, reinstall your plug. The torque spec for the drain plug is 35 foot-pounds. For those that don't have a torque wrench, you want to go pretty snug. Take some brake cleaning, clean off the oil residue. The engine oil filter is located on the passenger side wheel well in this location. I like to turn the tire inwards towards the vehicle to get you just a little bit more room. It is not easy to get to if you're having troubles. Sometimes it's easier to remove your front tire. Take a filter wrench, put it inside, break it loose, spin off the filter. It's going to dump some on the backside as you're lifting it and pulling it this direction. As a heads up, no matter how you take this oil filter out, it's going to make a mess, so make sure you have a big enough container to catch it all underneath. I'm using a Cummins diesel oil filter. Take some clean engine oil, rub it on the O-ring. If you want to use an OEM oil filter, the part number is a 50 83 28 5 AA. Tighten the oil filter hand tight. You're going to add 12 quarts or 3 gallons of 15W40 diesel engine oil. Put the cap back on. To reset the oil life, we're going to turn the key to run position or accessory mode. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we're going to scroll over till we find vehicle info. Arrow to the right. Scroll until you find oil life. And then we're going to hold the right arrow to hold reset. And now the oil life is reset. Go ahead and start the vehicle. After the vehicle's been ran for a while, I'll shut it off. No matter what I'm working on, I always double check my oil level after I change the engine oil. Pull this stick out, wipe it clean, dip it back in, pull it out. And according to this, we are at 3/4 full, so we are perfect. If you enjoyed this video, please check out my channel, How2Mechanics. I work on tons of different things, so there might be a video for you. And with that, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.